I'm Jennifer Novak, and I practice environmental law in California. Many of our clients are businesses who operate in industries that are heavily regulated to prevent contamination and minimize health risks. We're talking about businesses that have underground storage tanks, they fuel vehicles, they store and use chemicals, they have dust or other byproducts flying up into the air, or there's a risk that at some point in history, there may have been spills or accidents on site. Now, most businesses know there's a chance that one day they're going to receive a letter from the government that asks questions about their operations. And then the next step is often that they get an order to investigate conditions on their property. And most businesses believe that getting an investigation order is the beginning of the end, just a never ending cycle of expensive consultants and out of control demands by the government. Okay, now don't get me wrong, because it can definitely feel that way, especially because any investigation demand is likely to be stated in the broadest of terms. It's going to say that they want you to investigate everything about everything all over the property. And in this area of law, the burden of proof is flipped. All the government has to do is show that at some point, your business or previous businesses engaged in activities that may have caused contamination at the property. And then it's your burden to prove that there's no problem or that you aren't the one responsible for it. Now, they say that sometimes the best defense is a good offense. And that's a philosophy that we recently embraced for one of our clients. We worked with the agency to find out what they were really concerned about. And we pointed out where we thought they were outside the bounds of what they could legally justify. We encouraged our client to not be afraid of data and to investigate the specific concerns that the agency had. And then we were able to use the science to show that our client's operations didn't cause the problem that the agency was worried about. Our client received a no further action letter, and they were done. Sometimes it's hard to know when you need to be afraid of a situation and when the situation might not be as bad as you think. If you're wondering how to find an honest consultant, if you want someone to help you determine if your business could minimize the risk of government enforcement, we're happy to help you. So give us a call.